So guys, I want to show you something, and I want you guys to help me count with me. So let me show you. Can you see this money? So let's count together. This 1,000, this 2,000, this 3,000, this 4,000, this 5,000, this 6,000, this 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 18,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25,000. So this is 25,000. I actually make this money completely from online, and today I'm going to show you the process, what I did in making this money. A lot of people have talents and they waste their talent. You can use your talent and create something, right? So I actually use my talent to achieve this money, and I'm not in any way using this money to deceive you to watch this video, but I'm here to share with you value that will change your life. So today I want to show you how you can create a YouTube channel and start making money. I make all this money from my YouTube channel. I have about 3 monetized YouTube channel. A lot of you guys do not even know about this. So I have about 3 YouTube monetized channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel and monetize your channel in less than 2 or 3 months. A lot of you guys think sometimes it's difficult for you to monetize a channel. Yes, it depends on your content. Everybody, when it comes to content like this, you can, monetize your content no matter the kind of content you're putting out there, right? But as far as that, your content is, it's attractive to your viewers. When you create the content and you discover that people are not watching that content, you will not make up, right? You will not, you will not meet that target point in terms of monetizing your channel, in terms of getting your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 hours of watch time. It is super easy for you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time when you understand how the YouTube algorithm works. The algorithm starts looking at your video, how many people watch that video, how many time they spend in watching that video. So that is exactly what the YouTube algorithm uses, knowing whether this video is going to, grow the platform. Because if your video can grow the platform, that means the YouTube algorithm will be happy with you. So without time wasted, let's start the video, and I will be showing you how you can create a Gmail account. After that, you can use that Gmail account to create a YouTube channel and start making money like me. So without time wasted, let me take you over to my screen and share with you how to do that in a simple steps. Let's go. So guys, right here on my phone, I'm going to take you over to my YouTube app. But if you don't have, what you need to do is for you to go to your Play Store. So what you need to do now is for you to search for YouTube by clicking here. Search for YouTube. You can type it like this, YouTube, and search for it. So let's wait for the result. Can you see YouTube here? So I'll click on it. So here they are telling me to update it. I have it in my phone. So you can update your own if you have it in your phone. But if you don't have it, what you need to do is for you to download it, right? So let me update it. So can you see YouTube app here? So I will click on it and open. And let me show you my channel. So let me click one of my channel here and show you. So can you see? So this is my channel. This channel is called Father Joe, and this is my main channel right here, guys. So can you see my videos? I have a lot of videos here. So these are my popular videos, about 8,000 views. So you can see my short videos. This is my short videos. This is my community post. And this channel is fully monetized. I'm making money from all these videos, right? So I'm going to show you how you can start a channel and make money from it. So what you need to do now is for you to click here. Can you see? Click here that is showing you. You can click it here. Yes. Then click on the switch account. Can you see switch account here? So let me click this plus icon. Please, I would like you to use a separate Gmail account, not the one that you're using doing anything that you like. Okay, what you need to do is for you to create an account. Can you see here? Create an account. For personal use, yes, choose for my personal use. Then what you need to do is for you to put in your real name. I recommend you use your real name. So for my case, since I'm using it just to show you guys how to do it, so I'll use what I like. Let me use Father Joe. Last name Joe. Then next. Then basic information, enter your birthday and gender.
For my case, so I will enter birthday. I was born on October 13th. The next thing here, they say choose your Gmail address, pick a Gmail address or create your own. I would choose the first one, FatherJoe310, right? FatherJoe310@gmail.com. So I would prefer to choose the first one. So for your own case, you can just create the way that you want it, or you can just choose the already made Gmail address, right? I will click on next. So now it's telling me to create password. So I will create a password that I want to use to access this Gmail account. So now it's asking me to put a phone number. Can you see? So now what I will do here is for me to kindly put my phone number, but if I don't want to put it, I can still skip. But I recommend you put phone number. I'm using this one to do it for educational purpose. So make sure that you put phone number so that in case you have any problem with your Gmail account, you can recover it, you can reset it. Can you see here, for example, your number will be used for resetting your password if you forget it. You receive video calls and messages. So there are a lot of things that your phone number will be used for in your Google account. So please make sure that you put your phone number. So after that, you go on by clicking yes, I am in. So can you see? So this is my Gmail account now that I want to use to create YouTube channel, right? So I'll click on next. So now can you see privacy and terms? To create a Google account, you will need to agree to the following terms. So you will need to go through all these terms, and after that you click on I agree. So guys, can you see we have finally created our Gmail account? So what I need to do now is for me to create a YouTube channel, right? So I'll be using this account to create a YouTube channel. So what I will do is for me to click create channel. Can you see here? Create channel. So now we need to put picture, we need to put name, and we also need to put handle. Can you see picture, name, handle? So fine. So for my case, the name of the channel, okay, let me start with the picture. So fine. So can you see my picture is well clear enough? So I'll click on here, save as profile picture. Let me just choose Father Joe TV. Okay, fine. Let it be Father Joe TV. Okay. So can you see this is Father Joe TV, guys? So let me save it. That is for the name. Then for the handle, you can decide to use anything for the handle. Okay, let me put Father Joe TVV. Okay, now so let me create the channel by clicking here. Wow, so our channel is now created. So now we have our channel created. So the next thing for you to do is for you to start creating your content, and make sure that those content that you are going to create is your own personal content, right? You do it by yourself. So after you create your content and edit your content, if you don't know how to edit your videos, you can check the description of this video. You will see a link and you click it. The link will take you to my video still on YouTube here, and you will learn how to edit videos as simple as ABC. And you can just check out my channel. I have a lot of videos in my channel, so you can just check out and watch any video that you want to watch. So let me show you how you can be able to post videos right here on YouTube in a correct and a simple way. So what you need to do is for you to come to this plus icon here and click it. This option will comes out, so you will choose upload a video. So what I will do here is for me to click on next here. Can you see? Click on next here. So the first thing that you have to do is for you to create a title. Create exactly what your video is about, right? So create a title here and come to description. Make sure you give at least 80% about what you are putting out there for people to watch, right? Describe what your video is all about here, and make sure you add links, external link like your Facebook, Instagram, all those stuff like that, so that people can also go there and follow you. But if you don't have, then let it be, and put some hashtags. Take for example, you were posting videos about making money online. You can just click hash. Let me show you hash. So you now type make money. So can you see make money online? So make sure you put hash